You said something that I should do earlier, and I don't remember what it was. I want my wife.
I
That's
don't.
unfortunate.
Yeah, that is very unfortunate.
Oh, stream.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Are you ready?
yeah.
Alright. Easy, hard, medium.
Hard.
Got it. Now, who do you want to be? Also, just like take a second to look at all of these.
Mumbo.
Mumbo. Alright, do we want to go to the surface, the cave, or the deep?
We want to go deep.
There's literally nothing we can get from the deep at this point. Impulse already died! And calling a bio break as soon as it starts is hilarious. See you, Bella. Chow, Chow, Chowabella? I don't know what that is.
Ciao,
Whatever.
Bella.
Chowbella. Wherever you go, there you are. Okay, Scott. Aloha. Hi. Tango dies instantly. But you said go to deep? There,
Uh,
there literally
cave.
nothing. What? Cave?
Cave.
Okay. You hear a sudden loud.
Something.
Hey, did Big B make you jump?
Ah, yeah.
Alright. Surface, cave. Do we want to get resources?
Sure.
Surface. Yay. Sand.
Hey, sand.
Tango got stone egg.
Surface.
Surface. Tree. Ooh, and apple. Alright, there's a crafting system where you just need one and then the thing and then the stuff. And yeah.
Oh.
You don't need to make a wooden
Nope.
pickaxe, luckily. There's no faction yet. Everyone is alive, but where is Impulse? Oh. Why isn't Impulse yellow? Huh. Anyway, cave or surface?
Cave.
Talk to Bigby or continue?
Let's keep exploring. Uh,
We can't do anything with the gold, so let's continue. Stone!
okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make up the pickaxe. Or do we want a sword or an axe?
Pickaxe first.
Alright, cave. Iron!
Iron. Surface.
Ooh! Do we join the BPC?
Yeah.
Okay. MBPC. Alright, and then now we have a base. Surface, cave, deeper.
Surface.
Take it home. We're gonna take the cow
Take it
home.
home.
And
Cow
now
come home.
we have cow in home. And someone got wheat.
Yeah.
Cool. Tango died from a creeper. Well, that's the end of the event. Dang, that was quick. Wow. We're the bad boy. Pearl, you're not a boy. Well, you can be a bad boy if you want, but like, I don't think we're the bad boys.
Pearl is so bad at being a boy that she's a girl.
Yeah. Surface. You stumble upon a ravine full of mystery. Oh, what? We died
Oh.
out of nowhere. The plot thickens. It's not is not Green is not made by our death. Green hates us so
Alright.
much.
Cave.
Help.
Help. Yay.
Man, it's only section 1. Why is everyone yellow? I don't think that's accurate to how everyone actually is. Oh, wait, here we go. Cave or surface. We need wood, right?
Yeah, we need the wood.
You see Skiz AFK and Big B whispers that Skiz will tell you shouldn't you ask. Do we engage?
Yeah.
Yippee! Skiz's friend.
Chicken.
Chicken.
We should have chicken.
Chicken? Like
Oh,
chicken jockey?
B-Dubs is on
Chicken.
bed. Finally, wood. Something interesting occurred while you were away at your base. Woo! Yeah?
Yeah.
I love that we have no vowels in our name in our group, so like there's nothing we can go off of for that. Ooh, both are a free kill on a mob. I'm just gonna skip. If use a boat or continue.
I think use a boat.
Oh, I thought the boat was a free kill on the mob. Oh, cause we don't have any actual weapon.
Uh, this is taking a while.
Mm-hmm.
Apples eaten.
No.
No.
Do we want to hunt? We have nothing to kill with.
Yes.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Tree. Okay. Pickaxe or sword or armor.
Swamp.
Sword.
Yeah.
Alright. And now hunt or gather.
We should continue gather.
Lapis is good for enchanting. Ooh. Food. And feathers. Stone. Wood.
Skip.
Kill.
Yeah, sure.
Because then we can get a bow. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
What?
We die. Do we want to continue with someone else?
Sure. Let's go with rain.
We're doing awesome as green. Honestly, look what we already have. Hey, oh, you don't have you, you don't have any stone. So, oh, you managed to eat those. It found a way out of the world of the mortar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. We can mine gold. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
But we only have because we only have a stone pickaxe. I don't know. You could. That's cool.
Yeah.
Do we help Martin out, or do we leave him to die? Potentially.
Do we? That is the true question of it all. I do not believe we care for Martin. Happy birthday!
Okay, we're probably gonna die. Oh, never mind. It was actually their birthday or something. Ooh, a book. Sure. Ooh, a TNT. Yeah.
Yeah.
Base.
The
What
gunpowder.
happened? Oh, we have Jimmy
That
on
would
our
be
team. This is such a wild team. My secret lover and all the men I tried to keep alive. Oh, Scar died while setting up a TNT cannon. I had
Scar
two.
has acquired iron pick.
finally have acquired the iron pickaxe while we're here and decked out in diamond.